Good morning, students. Hope you are doing very hard work for your exams. And today is your English video class, and we are going to study the chapter A Tale of Two Oxen, and that is written by Munshi Premchand. We had already read a few parts of this chapter. Today I am going to teach you the remaining part of this chapter. In the previous chapter part of this chapter, you come to know that there were two oxen named Hira and Moti, and Jhuri was their owner, and he loved his oxen very much, and they both of them also loved him very much. They do hard work for his master, and he gave them very nice food to them. One day, the brother of Jhuri's wife, his name was Gaya, came there and took both of the oxen to his house. Okay, but both of he didn't give them good fodder and did not treat them nicely. They ran away from his house to his original master, that is Jhuri. And after that he again took them to his house once again. Now what happened after it? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? वो जब दोबारा उनको अपने घर ले गया, उसके बाद उन दोनों ऑक्शंस के साथ, यानी हीरा और मोती के साथ क्या हुआ? Let us come to know. It's a very interesting story, and listen very carefully and pay attention the vocabulary also. Okay. Now yes, from your book open page 127. हम इसको जहाँ ये मार्क लग रहा है बेटा पेन का, वहां तक पढ़ चुके थे. यहाँ से हम पढ़ेंगे वन डे. ये वन डे मोती सेड. ओके, वन डे मोती सेड हीरा, we cannot do we can't go on like this. What do you want? I'll toss one of them upon my aunts, but that sweet girl who fed us with rotis in the Malik's daughter, she would be orphaned. Should I then toss up the Malkin? It is she who beats the girl. But it's wrong to use violence against women. But you don't show any way out. Should we break loose? Yes, but how shall we cut this thick rope? Let's chew the rope first, then it will snap with one jerk. Actually क्या होता है बेटे इसमें? They both plan to run away from Gaya's house. But how they ran away from there? Because both of them were tied with a thick rope. Then the girl who gave feed us, they feel pity that if we will run away from there, the Malkin will beat this daughter, और यदि हमने उसको मार दिया तो ये लड़की ऑर्फन हो जाएगी, यदि हमने गया को मारा तो देखिए जरा इसकी डायलॉग्स पढ़िए. बट इट्स रॉन्ग टू यूज वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वोमेन, कि यदि इफ वी विल अटैक ऑन द मालकिन, तो इट इज नॉट फेयर दैट इट इज आउट ऑफ द लॉ कि हम किसी एक लेडी पर हाथ उठाएं. All the students listen carefully that it is not good to attack on a girl, to use their strength against a woman. But we don't show any way out. Shouldn't we break loose? Yes, but how shall we cut this thick rope? Then both of them planned to run away from there, but they thought that how they will cut this rope, because it's a very thick rope. Then one said that let us chew this rope, and it will snap with one jerk. Then at night the girl came there, and both of were trying to chew the rope so that it could cut down easily. But what they see that the girl came out, and she said that I will untie you so that you can run away, because some people are planning to make a halter through your noses. halter क्या होता है? जैसे गले में रस्सा डाल लेते हैं ना, ऐसी नाक में उनके रस्सा डाल देंगे इनके. आपने मोस्टली बच्चों ने देखा होगा, ऑक्सन की नाक में रस्सी डाल देते हैं टू मेक देम पेट. So she untethered them, but the two oxen stood still. Moti asked, "Why don't you move?" Hira said, "If we ran, everyone will scold this girl." Suddenly the girl began to shout, "Oh Dada, both of the oxen are running away. Come, come quickly." Then but the girl knew their intention कि they are not running just because of her. So what she planned, she suddenly uh, shout quickly and said that the oxen are running here. उसने सोचा अगर मैं ऐसे चिल्लाऊंगी तो ये दोनों भागेंगी. Okay. Next page 128. Gaya came out in panic. The two oxen ran, chased by Gaya. When Gaya returned to एक मिनट बेटा returned to get some more villagers to help, the pair got a head start. The two ran straight without knowing where they were going. Soon they had lost their way and found themselves around strange villages. Both of them stood at the edge of a field, wondering what to do. Gaya got become very panicked when he come to know that both of the oxen had run away from there. He chased them. He collect some villagers to chase them and to collect them. But both of them ran away from there, and they and they lost the way actually. Then they come out on the road, and they said that what to do. And he said that we should get them down. हमें उनको सींग पे उठाकर नीचे गिरा देना चाहिए था. Then but they thought अरे रहने दो चलो. Now both of them were very hungry. They saw a pea growing in the field and began to feed on them, wary to any danger. वेरी मतलब दे आर बोथ कॉन्शियस दैट कि कभी भी कोई आ सकता है. तो बोथ ऑफ वर वेरी कॉन्शियस एंड दे entered in the peace field to get fill their stomach. When they had their fill, they felt they were free and began to frolic around. First they blessed, then joined their horns and began to push one another. But suddenly they saw a huge and terrible bull bellowing and advancing towards them. Fighting him was like inviting death, but not fighting could be equally hazardous. Then they entered in the peace field and filled their stomach. And first they blessed, डकार लेना, air come out through mouth. And they were just a fake light fight with each other with horns. झूठी लड़ाई ना लड़ रहे थे आपस में. Suddenly a huge terrible bull came there to जिसे उनको provoke कर रहा है to fight. Both of them thought that if we fight them it means we are inviting death. If we don't fight with them it means it is very hazardous. इट मीन्स जैसे वो भी डेंजरस है. लड़ते हैं तो भी नुकसान है और नहीं लड़ते हैं तो वो हमें कहेगा कॉवर्डाइज कि वी आर वेरी वीक पर्सन. मोती सेड, "वी आर इन ग्रेट डेंजर, थिंक ऑफ अ वे आउट." हीरा रिप्लाइड, "ही डोंट लिसन टू अवर entreaties. Entreaties, shouldn't we run away? That would be cowardice." He said we should not fight them, Moti said. But Hira said no, he will not listen our plea, our request. वो हमारी रिक्वेस्ट पर ध्यान नहीं देगा. तो कहते हैं कि should we run away? कि नहीं, ये तो कायरतापूर्ण काम होगा अगर हम भागते हैं तो. Then the only way is for us to attack him together, I from front and you from rear. He won't be able to stand this to prolong attack. It is dangerous, but it is the only way. Then they thought that we should attack him together. One will attack from the front and other will attack from the back side. Rear means back side. And he would not be able to handle our attack with our sharp prolonged attack. हमारा जो ये ना attack करेंगे हम, he will not handle us. And because it is although dangerous but it is the only way. Both the friends attacked, putting their lives at risk. The bull had no experience of fighting against two animals together. As he ran towards Hira, Moti attacked him from rear. When the bull turned towards Moti, Hira attacked him from the other side. The two friends fought cleverly and wounded the bull. Then they chased him. When the poor fellow fell down, gasping for breath, and the two let him go. Now क्या हुआ? When both of them are now fighting each other, and when one it means to say, actually the bull had no experience of fighting against two animals together. Bull had no experience. वो कभी भी इससे से लड़ने का कभी experience नहीं था. Because as he ran towards हीरा, जब वो हीरा की तरफ भागता था तो मोती उसको पीछे से अटैक करता था. When he ran towards मोती, हीरा उसको other side से अटैक करता था. तो in the same way both friends cleverly fought and wounded the bull. उसको घायल कर दिया and they chased him, and when he fell down on the ground and gasping for breath, उन्होंने उसको जाने दिया. बेटे यहाँ तक आपको what you learn from this chapter? देखिए स्टार्टिंग में आपने पढ़ा कि हमें we should love our friends and we should help them, okay, and we should help them in each other need. A friend is in need is a friend indeed. This proverb is absolutely correct on this chapter. A friend is in need is a friend indeed. जो हमारी मुसीबत में सहायता करे वही हमारा फ्रेंड होता है. जैसे इन दोनों ने एक दूसरे की हेल्प करी आपस में, और एक दूसरा वी शुड बी यूनाइट, हमें जुड़ के रहना चाहिए. बट इफ both of them were not together, they could never be fight with this strong bull. Okay, and दूसरा we should never give up. हमें कभी छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए किसी चीज को, कि नहीं हार मानना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, now comes the next please. Both the friends walked along relishing their victory. Hira said, "Think how to reach home now." "Let's first eat something," Moti replied. The pea crop was right there. Moti entered the field against Hira's advice. They had just begun to eat with two men carrying lathis close in on them. Hira was just on the edge and escaped. Moti could not run because his feet were caught in the soft, recently watered soil. He was caught. When Hira saw that his companion was in trouble, he returned. He could not desert his friend. He too was caught. Relishing मतलब both friends were now they have taken victory over that bull, and both were very happy, and they said कि अब हम कहाँ जाएं, where is our home, we don't know the way. Then Moti said, let us first eat, चलो सबसे पहले कुछ खाते हैं. And both of them entered in the pea crop, and it was in front of them, and but right now they were not aware, they were not conscious, and at the time when both were eating, they two men with lathis came there. हीरा तो एकदम से वहां से भाग गया, but what happened with Moti? He could not run because his leg was recently caught by a recently watered soil. से कीचड़ होती है ना, कीचड़ में उसका पैर फंस गया. And when Hira saw that his companion was caught, he too came there, and being caught by those men, वो भी उनके हाथों पकड़ा गया और वापस आ गया. This show that we should help, we should be united, we should never give up, and a man is need is a friend indeed. जो हमारी मुसीबत में सहायता करते हैं वही हमारी फ्रेंड होता है. In the morning, both the friends were locked up in the municipal yard for stray cattle, the Conji horse. The Conji horse. This in the morning, both were locked in a municipal yard, जो कि जहाँ पे आवारा पशुओं को बंद करते हैं. That is called Conji house. This was the first time ever that the two friends didn't get anything to eat for the whole day. They could not figure out the character of their new owner. There were buffaloes, sheep, and goats, horses, and donkeys here, but no one was being fed, and all were lying half dead. A few had become so weak they could hardly stand on their feet. The two friends stared at the gate. the whole day but saw no trace of fodder. They liked the salty mud on the walls, but this could only allay their hunger. Both of them were caught in the municipal yard, and there were so many other animals, stray animals were there, like buffaloes, sheep, goats, horses, and donkeys, and there was no chance to escape from there. And they saw that most of the animals were lying on the ground in a half dead position. जैसे आधे मरे थे, because nobody is there to give any food, and both of them were looking at the gate so that somebody would come for fodder, but there was no trace of fodder. And they were lick the salty mud, से दीवार को चाटने लगे, so that they can quench their thirst, food, their hunger, but it would not allay their hunger. उनकी भूख इससे नहीं मिट पा रही थी. Finally Hia said rebelliously to Moti, I can't stand it anymore. Moti said dejectedly, it look, we are going to die. Don't lose heart. Think of a way to escape from here. Come, let's bring down that wall. It won't be able to do anything now. Hira rammed his horns into the mud wall of the municipal yard and pushed. A piece of mud broke loose. This encouraged him. He rammed his horns into the wall again and again. Every time some chunks of mud came off of the wall. What happened? उसने they tried to they were both of very hungry, and there was no trace of fodder. So then Hira said कि I cannot stand because I am dying of hunger. Then Moti said कि yes I know, but what can I do? तो कहते कि let us escape from there. We should bring down this wall. तो कहते नो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दिस. तो हीरा रैम्ड हिज हॉर्न्स इनटू द मड. उसने अपने हॉर्न्स को रैम किया, मतलब घुसाया उसमें, एंड ही पुश द ट्राई टू गेट डाउन द वॉल. एंड देन अ पीस ऑफ मड ब्रोक लूज. उसमें कुछ मिट्टी का पीस नीचे गिरा, एंड उसको दिस इनकरेज हिम, and he rammed his and he tried again, and some more pieces of mud get down, and this and some chunks of mud came off of the wall. When the chowkidar appeared to count the animals, he observed Hira wild behavior. He thrashed him with his lathi and then tethered him with a rope. Then when at that time chowkidar of that yard house came there, and he observed that Hira is trying to get down the get down this wall. तो he thrashed him with lathi and tethered him with a rope. उसको रस्सी से बांध दिया. Moti said, so you got beaten up after all. What did you get? कि तुम्हें क्या मिला? But I applied on my strength. He said, but I had tried my best. It was useless, and now you are bound. I will keep doing it in spite of all the ropes. You will lose your life. Who cares? We are going to die anyway. If the wall had come down, so many lives would have been saved. So many are locked up here, almost lifeless. If this continue for some more days, they will die. तो फ्रेंड कहता है उसे कि तुम्हें क्या मिला ये सब करके, कि खाली पिटाई हुई तुम्हारी और रस्सी से बांध दिया. ओके, सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव डू माई बेस्ट. बट ही सेड कि you will lose your life. के so what, I don't care of my life, because I would die, don't care, because my life my life may help other animals to escape from here. Now next please. दिस इज ट्रू, ऑल राइट, आई विल जॉइन यू. तो उसको ये बात सुन के उसको लगा कि भाई यस ही इज राइट, आई शुड ऑल्सो ज्वाइन हिम. अगर हम मर जाते हैं कोई बात नहीं, दे वी कैन हेल्प अदर पर्सन, अदर एनिमल्स टू लिव. ओके, तो ये हमें क्या, ये पार्ट हमें क्या शो कर रहा है? वॉट मॉरल डू यू गेट फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट? वी शुड हेल्प ईच अदर. डोंट लिव फॉर only for you. Live and let others live. Moti also thrust his horn into the same place. A chunk of mud came off. Encourage become make. Encouraged, he began to dig his horns into the wall with all his strength. After about 2 hours, half the wall came down. Now both of them tried hard, and after 2 hours, most of the wall came down. As soon as the wall collapsed, all the half-dead animals suddenly came alive. The three mares were the first to bolt, then the goat, and then the buffaloes, but the donkeys stayed put. Hira asked, "Why don't you run away?" When the wall collapsed, most of the animal came to their life की and they ran away. सबसे पहले वहाँ से mares, उसके बाद वहाँ से goat, फिर buffaloes वहाँ से निकली, but the donkeys stay there. वहाँ पर रुके रहे. तो then Hira said, "Why you are not running from here?" तो one said कि what would happen if we caught again? अगर हम पकड़े गए तो क्या होगा? Just see this line कि if we caught up कि ये शो करता है कि दे आर वेरी कॉवर्ड पर्सन. डंकियों के ना बहुत ही सीधा साधा होता है कि इफ वी हैव गेटिंग द चांस वी शुड ट्राई. नाउ द डंकीज आर गेटिंग चांस टू रन अवे बट दे आर शोइंग कि यदि हम पकड़े गए तो ये शो. आप बच्चों ये सोचिए कि अगर आप मेहनत करते हो आप सोचोगे अरे नहीं फिर फेल हो गए तो हम. इट मीन्स यू शुड नॉट स्टडी, यू शुड स्टडी. जस्ट रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स लीव ऑन द गॉड. ओके कि what if we were caught again? So what? Now you have a chance to escape. We are afraid. We shall keep lying here. कि हमें यहीं पड़े रहने दो. We will not run away from there. It was past midnight. The donkeys were still undecided. Moti was busy cutting his friend's rope, and when he failed, Hira said, "You go and leave me here. We might meet somewhere." And now the donkey was perplexed कि we should go from here and we should stay here or to run from here. Moti was busy to cutting his rope, and then Hira said, "Dear friend, you go from here, leave me on my condition. क्या पता हम कहीं और मिले. We might meet somewhere." Moti replied cheerfully, "Do you think I am selfish? We have been together for so long. I can't leave you when you are in trouble." Again, a friend in need is a friend indeed. कि मैं तुम सोचते हो I am selfish? No, we have been together for long. I cannot stay you like this alone. मैं तुम्हें अकेला नहीं छोड़ सकता. Hira said, "You will get a severe beating. You will think you are responsible for this." Moti replied with pride, "I don't care if I am thrashed for what we have done. We have at least saved 9 or 10 lives and they will bless us." हीरा कहता है कि आई थिंक तुम्हारी बहुत पिटाई होगी और वो सोचेंगे इस सब के तुम रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो. तो मोती सेड, "नो, आई डोंट केयर. वो जो सोचते हैं सोचने दो. एटलीस्ट I feel that I am responsible for those animals who ran from away and they will definitely bless me for getting their life." Saying this, Moti drove the two monkeys out with horns. Then he came and lay down close to his friend. Then he poked the donkeys to go out from this yard, and he lay down with his friend. When what a hullabaloo occurred when the munshi, the chowkidar, and other came there. हुलाबलू मीन्स अचानक पता नहीं क्या हुआ कि वहाँ पे एक मुंशी जो चौकीदार था वो वहाँ पर आया. एंड मोती वॉज गिवन ए साउंड बीटिंग एंड बाउंड विद ए रोप लाइक हिज फ्रेंड. और मोती को उसने बहुत मारा और उसको भी बांध दिया. The one full week, the two animals remained bound in the congee house without any straw. Nothing was given to them to eat, and they were, however, provided water only once a day. पूरा दिन उन्हें सिर्फ एक पानी मिलता था. 1 week तक उन्हें कुछ भी खाने को नहीं दिया गया. They become so weak that their ribs stuck out. वो इतने कमजोर हो गए थे कि उनकी जो ribs थी वो भी दिखाई देने लगी थी. One afternoon, they heard a drum beat in front of the congee house. About 50 to 60 people assembled there. The two friends were brought out. People came, looked at them, and turned away uninterested. Who would buy this? Who would buy such emaciated cattle? Now both of them bring out from that congee house, and they were bring to the public place, and about the 50-60 people were assembled there to purchase them. जब बोली लगती है ना animals की कितने में खरीदना है, but they were so weak that their ribs were come out that nobody was interested to purchase them. Emaciated means so abnormal thin animals को कौन खरीदेगा. Suddenly a cruel looking bearded man arrived. He started talking to the munshi while prodding and haunches of Hira and Moti with his finger. Haunches मतलब उनकी जो ribs थी उसमें उंगली गड़ा के देख रहा था. Prodding मतलब उंगली गड़ा के देखना कि उनमें कितना मांस है, कितने वो fat है. Both the friends were terrified at that very look of the man. They were no doubt what who he was and why he was uninterested in them. Why he was interested in them. They looked at each other with frightened eyes and lowered their heads. Now both of them smart enough that they come to know ki why this bearded man come here and why he is prodding and checking our haunches, and they were both were very terrified कि what will happen. Now they come to know that he will definitely cut them. वो उनको definitely मारने के लिए लेकर आया. Both were seeing each other be terrified and lowered down their heads. Now dear students, rest of the part we will study later on in my next video. Okay, that's all from my side. Goodbye. Happy learning and do hard work for your exams.